What's going on? Mike back again with another video. Today I want to talk about two soaps that I use when I wash cars. My favorite pH neutral soap is from the detail firm. It's called the Exterior Lather. It's pH neutral, super thick foam. It's great with foam cannons. You can use it in a foam gun as well. For anything you want to strip down, any types of waxes or sealants, Citron from Vonix, super cheap. Works great in foam cannons. You can use it in buckets, foam guns. It strips down, and like I said, waxes, sealants and stuff. It's great. For tires, wheels, brake buster, I put that in my IK sprayer with a little bit of super clean. I pressurize my IK sprayer, foam it up. Works great for cleaning. If I want to polish anything after I've used Citron, I use Uno Protectant. Uno Protect gives you approximately 6 months of protection. You apply it on, leave it for about 20 minutes, and then I'll use Bead Maker to wipe it off. On interiors, for fabrics, I use the 3-step system from P&S. I use Terminator, Bomber, and then Finisher. For the interior, really not that bad a shape. I do like using the detail firm, the Interior Lather. The Interior Lather is, you can pretty much use it on anything and everything. And then the leather cream, you can use it on leather and vinyl. It's got a little bit of UV protection, which is pretty good stuff. The sleeper for you guys from Vonix, fairly cheap, is Sintra. Sintra kills 99.9% of everything. And the one thing about this is you can use it on vinyl, plastic, leather, carpets, everything. You can basically use this on everything except for navigation screens. And it smells good. So you can actually buy this in the 1 liter size and you can dilute it. Any of these products that you see here, you can actually get on my website at detailedepot.co.
Are these the chemicals you first started using when you started detailing?
When I first started detailing, no. I first started detailing using chemical guys. Slowly started using other stuff. Kind of found things that I liked. There's things chemical guys has that is good. They just have too much of things. They do have some things that are decent. But I just kind of find my little niche of things, and this is what I like.
Let's say there's a new detailer out there, and like you mentioned, there's a lot of different chemicals out there.
There is.
What's your advice or tips that you could give them to find the perfect product for them? Is it watch YouTube videos? Is it see what other detailers are using? What would you say? Or is it go to a shop, get advice?
I would say, find works best for you, because what works best for me may not be what works best for you. And some people think, well, this soap doesn't work best on that car. It's really not the soap, it's the water. The water plays everything. So if you can find the soap that works best for you, just use it. And if it's cheap soap, if it works great, use it. We're not here to use bougie soap. I mean, yes, this is a little on the bougie side, but it works great. It foams up real good. The one thing about this, you only need 1 ounce, and there's 12 ounces. I can wash 12 cars with this, and it's great.
There's a lot of new detailers jumping on YouTube, sharing advice. There's a lot of them promoting specific products. How do you feel about that? Should we listen to them? Should we give the product a shot? Or do you think, nah, find what works best for you?
Well, I don't mind the detailers or the people on YouTube giving their advice. And that's what they're doing, is they're giving their advice, as long as it's correct. And you're supposed to take that as knowledge. And you take that knowledge and you do what you want with it. You take it, if you want to use it, you take it. And if you want to try it, you go try it. This is what I use, and this is what I like, so this is what I recommend. If you find anything that you guys like, please let me know in the comments down below. If you feel that you guys want to try anything else, I do carry a bunch of variety of things on my website, detailedepot.co. Check the links in the description down below.